electric motor draws 2 amperes at 220 volts to produce a power output. The rate of heat loss due to radiation is 550 British thermal units per hour, and the temperature of the surface of the motor is measured to be 130 degrees Fahrenheit. Determine the power developed by the motor in horsepower. So given natin, we have uh, current, no, na 2 amperes. Then we have voltage of 220 volts. Okay. Then we have heat loss due to radiation. So heat loss yan. That is 550 British thermal unit per hour. And then temperature daw is 130 degrees Fahrenheit. So we are asked to find the power, no, developed by the motor in horsepower. So titingnan natin, let's say ito yung motor, no? Okay? So of course, connected yan sa electrical supply. So ipapasok dyan na let's say power, no? Electrical power. Electrical. So gawin na lang natin WE. So yan yung ating power. Electrical. Okay? And then ilalabas daw na heat due to radiation. And of course, meron tayong work, no? Ito yung ating work. Work, non-flow. Okay? This is work non-flow. Oh, by the way, this is per time basis. So work non-flow, which is equated to your power, no? And power generated in HP. So ibig sabihin pala, no? Ang hinahanap natin ay work non-flow. Okay? So by non-flow energy equation, okay? So ganun ulit. We have energy in minus energy out equals delta E. So we have Q in. So per time basis ito, no? Minus Q out plus work external in minus work external out equals delta U plus delta PE plus delta KE. Okay. So isayin natin. So take note. Note natin yung Q in mo is 0. Wala namang pumasok na init. However, yung ating Q out, ito yung Q rad natin. Okay? Next, we have the work external in. Ano yung pumasok na power or work? So ito yung ating electrical power. Na paano natin kukunin? So based sa ating physics, so electrical power can be found using the formula V times I. So voltage times ampere or current. Okay? Next, yung ating work, external out. Ito yung work non-flow. Ito yung hinahanap natin. No? And then, wala naman nabanggit tungkol sa internal energy. So, assume natin that U1 is equal to U2. Thus, there is no change. There is no change in what? In internal energy. So, wala pong change. Again, wala rin nabanggit. Wala rin nabanggit tungkol sa saan? Sa elevation. Assume natin equal lang yung elevation. Thus, we have delta PE is equal to 0. Okay? Next, velocity, wala rin nabanggit. So, assume natin na equal sila, entrance and exit. So, thus, we have delta KE is equal to 0. So, marami palang 0 dyan. So, wala na to. Wala na to. Wala na rin to. Yan. So, ano ang matitira dyan? So, matitira dyan is yung Q out na magiging Q rad plus yung external in, that is yung ating electrical, minus external out, yung ating work done flow, equals to 0. Thus, work done flow is simply equal to what? To negative Q rad plus electrical power. Okay? Electrical power. So we have work done flow is equal to negative Q rad time plus voltage times current. So we have work done flow is equal to negative. Ilan ba ang ating Q rad? So we have 550. Negative 550 BTU per hour. Then, co-convert natin siya. So we have 1 hour for every 60 minutes. So cancel na to. We have BTU per minute, and of course we have 42.41 British thermal unit per minute for every 1 horsepower. So cancel na to. Cancel na yan. Cancel na yan. Okay. Plus yung ating electrical, no? Electrical work, no? Or power generated, no? So we have V, that is 220 volts times I, 2 amperes. Convert natin. We have 1 volt ampere for every 1 watt. So cancel na to. Okay. And we have 746 watts for every 1 horsepower. Okay. So calculate natin yan. So using your calculator, we have a work non-flow of 0.37366 horsepower. So ito na po yung Sagot.